What's up guys? On today's video we're gonna be unboxing and checking out a new budget-friendly fridge that we just picked up from Bodega. This is a 50-liter fridge, so it is quite big. It holds about 70 cans of soda, about 50 bottles of water, or about 20 bottles of wine if you're into that. Now another couple features that I really like about this unit, it has dual chamber, so you can actually control the temperature and have different temperatures on both chambers. It has a built-in cutting board, some extra compartments for carrying, and the thing I'm most excited about, it has a Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled app that works on iPhone and the Android that you can simply control the temperature settings from up front. So that's a very nice feature that's not really common in a lot of fridges. Now, the most important thing about this fridge, as I mentioned, it is budget friendly. You're not overpaying for a Dometic fridge that's about $1,000. This fridge is near $300 to $400 depending on if they have a good deal or not on Amazon. Now, one of the things that you might be thinking is, if you're gonna buy a fridge, why buy a budget fridge? You know, you'd rather buy an expensive fridge out there. Well guys, most of the fridges that I've seen out there, same internal compartments like the Dometic. So it has a Danfoss compressor. This particular fridge comes with a 1-year warranty on the entire fridge and a 5-year warranty on the compressor. Again, I'm not sure if this is a Danfoss compressor, but a lot of times when it has a Danfoss compressor, it comes with that 5-year warranty. I couldn't find that detail online, so I might be wrong there, but again, it does come with a 1-year overall and 5-year warranty on the compressor, which is really, really nice. I have budget-friendly fridges that have lasted years, and I've not had to file any type of warranty claims. So guys, save your money, get something budget-friendly. This might be the fridge for you. So let's go and take a look at the unboxing, and we're gonna take a look at all the features that this fridge has. All right guys, let's get to the unboxing. Again, this is the QZW series. I'll have a link for this particular model. I checked out Bodega's line, and they have a bunch of fridges out there of any size. So make sure you guys are ordering the one that's right for you. All right, let's go ahead and lift this bad boy up. I believe this is about 40 pounds. It feels about 40 pounds. All right, let's have a quick look before I open this up. So we're gonna check out all the first person view of how this looks. So I see that there's a nice display up here. This is the extra little carrying organizer. Pretty strong there. It retains the shape after you pull it. You can keep your cord or anything that you need for your fridge there. This is a nice handle that multi-moves here. And let's take a look. This is also a nice little storage deck that you can go ahead and put your drinks here and it won't move in place. This is if you have it all out. This is the wheels that I was talking about. This also has AC, DC, and it can also plug into your 12 volt. This is where the air comes out to keep the compressor nice and cool. This looks like to be a bottle opener. Little straps right here, so you can strap it down for your overland system. You can also strap it from the top right there. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Boom. This is the first look at it. Now, this also has a removable top, so if you don't want this direction, you can actually remove it and switch positions. So if you want to open it the other way, you can definitely switch this top to accommodate that. This looks to have a LED light display here. This is the cutting board that is built in. Small, not a big cutting board. It's maybe about 12 inches by 8 inches, but it's always nice to have to cut fruit or anything that you have around. You don't have to worry about having another cutting board. This is the dual zone. Again, it's nice and separated. A lot of these don't have a separated section, so this is nice and separated. Generally, this part runs a lot cooler. This part usually is not as cool as the main chamber. Now this one, it also has a drain plug. So this is super, super nice to have a drain plug. once you're in a long trip and you don't want to bring it's filled with water or whatever spills, or you need to clean it up, you can just easily drain that instead of having to carry out the whole fridge. Now this is going to be some of the wiring or the plugs that are included. You've got your adapter, you've got your cigarette plug in here. There you go. You've got your AC adapter, AC-DC adapter right here. And of course, you can plug this into your 12 volt if you're going into a hotel room or whatnot, or you want to go ahead and pre-charge the fridge. I recommend using the 12 volt and just getting that charged up. That makes things nice and efficient, and your actual food will actually last a lot longer in this case. So we'll close it. Just gonna show you a quick handle. It wheels. So that's nice. I've used that while traveling before, bringing this to the hotel room. It's a really nice feature to do. So guys, that's how it looks so far. Let's go ahead and get it set up in my car. All right, now I went ahead and built a custom fridge system with a slide. So I don't have a link to this because it is custom fabricated, but I'm gonna go ahead and add in this fridge. There you go. It fits nice and snug. Boom. There you have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and lift it up. So right now it's currently opening this way. I definitely want it the other way. So let's see how easy this handle is to remove. So let's see. Oh, there you go. I think you just pop this off. Oh, there you go. So you just pop it right off and you can slide it. There you go. Now you can open it on both sides. Very nice. Handlebar helps with pulling this in and out as well. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug this in. All right, now these are the plugs, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I have this basically wired onto my Jackery 500 as my portable battery system. So this is what I'm going to be plugging it into. Let's go ahead and connect this to the back. There you go. Okay, let's go ahead and bring it to the front of the vehicle. I'll get you a chance to actually check out my system. So let's go ahead and pull that. Okay, there is my Jackery system. So let me just back up for a second. Let me lower this view so I can capture some better angles for you. Let me just plug this in. So let me just plug it in. All right. I've got it plugged in to the splitter. Now let's go ahead and go back to the fridge. Let's go ahead and press the on button. There you go. Wow, it was pretty quick to turn on. I already hear the compressor going off. Here are the temperature display. You can go -4, -3. Okay, let's go and check out the settings. Okay, that's on and off. So it's at 69 degrees. It's set for -4. So let me just hold on to this and let's just try to mess with the setting. Let me just, okay, so there's a LED light right there. The fridge is currently turning on right now, so let's just go ahead and check out some of these settings. There's a Bluetooth enabled right there. I don't quite have Bluetooth right now, so you do need to log into a Bluetooth network to set it up for the first time before the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry, you got to set it up with the Wi-Fi the first time, and then it will start working every other time after that. So that is something that you do need to do beforehand. I don't have it set up for that right now. So let me try to mess with some of the buttons. Let's look real quick at the draw that it's currently taking. So 29 watts is the draw. That's pretty good. It's not drawing too much. It's quite eco-friendly actually. All right guys, so as far as the controls and display, there's really not much as far as the settings. You can either go to eco mode, you can go to your max mode, and you're just basically controlling the temperatures between the two. So not a lot of settings that this has right here as far as the button display, but overall it does everything that you need. All you need to do is raise and lower the temperature, and you're pretty much good to go right there. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the app once I get that installed, so we can show you guys how it controls. So this is how it looks so far, guys. All right, guys, I am at the Rincon Beach Park. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the app that I just went ahead and installed. So this is the fridge. I've been running it for quite a while. It's pretty efficient so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on my other phone. There you go. So this is the QZ Smart. That's going to be their app. They have different items that you can charge to, but this one's set up for the car fridge. So there you go. You see it at -4, so you can adjust through here, and then it'll adjust through there. So let's just go up at -3. There you go. So I'm gonna make it back to code. There you go. It's pretty basic functions as far as how the app works. It shows that at 100%, which I'm not sure why it's showing that at 100, because there is no battery in the fridge, but nonetheless it has a battery protection on, so it won't short. Your basic on and off, so you can turn it off if you don't need to, turn it back on if you need to. And guys, I am at a state park, so there is no Wi-Fi here. It is just using Bluetooth. Once you have it set up, that's how you're able to do it. And then you can always set your eco mode, your temperature scale, Fahrenheit, Celsius, and if you want your battery protect to be on high or medium, those are the options. So pretty easy. Lastly, if you don't want anything to change, just go ahead and keep it locked, and none of this will change and adjust on your fridge. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys on that next one.